It's your girl Grace. Welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? Well, I'm so excited to show you or to do another video for you guys. I'm really excited because I feel that I should continue doing more about natural hair, and more about hairstyles for people that has natural hair. So I've been contemplating if I should go for if I should use a heater, if I should use a heat on my hair for me to achieve this look. And then on the second thought, I have been advising people not to use excess heat. So guys, I took a little amount of caniculum hair braiding extension and I'm working it in. I'm braiding it together with my natural hair to give me a very clean and neat finish. And this hair, the caniculum, helps to ease my braiding. And guys, it wasn't easy on me. My hands hurt so bad because I'm working on a natural hair and it's not relaxed, so it was so painful. My hands were so hurting and I was feeling so tired. So I did the same thing with the other braid, and also braided it. I took some hair and I also braided it the same way. So after that, I decided to go in with my edge control. I'm going to put down the name of the edge control in the description box. And this edge control helped me to, comb the hair very well, and also made the hair to sleep, to have that sleeky look and finish. Even though it needed gel, but at least it gave it a little bit of aid. And it helped me to be able to brush the hair to the direction I wanted. And then once I was done, I used my brush to brush the hair and the flyaway hairs, because definitely there should be one. So I brush the hair, and I use a band to hold the hair first before I start adding the gel. This helps to direct the hair, to make, not after. You shouldn't do after you might have after applying the hair. You say, oh no, hold the hair, then apply your gel. It will help the hair to get relaxed. And I did this technique. I used this technique on this hair, and it worked so well for me. Yeah, it worked so well, especially on this hair. It took me a long time to be able to get this hair, because my hair is quite full and quite huge. I have big head. Sorry guys, I got it from mama. I had quite a very big head, so I have to apply the gel, and I brushed it. I used a very strong hair brush to brush everything inside so that it could be sleeked. Then I joined the braided hair with the hair unbraided ones, and I packed them together and to give it a very nice and good finish look. And this technique, this hairstyle has been the best ever. It has been the best hair I've ever done. I never knew I was gonna pull it off, guys. It was so hard for me to decide if I'm gonna go on a natural or I should just hot comb it, just do the easy one. I know it's gonna be very difficult for you for the first time, but guys, it's worth it, because you can't be using heat on your hair all the time. No, I don't like using heat on my hair, and that's why most people don't go through this method of braiding their hair themselves and all that. But guys, it's worth it. After doing this, you're gonna enjoy it. So to give my own twist to the hair, I decided to get this hairpins, and I got it from my local beauty supply. And silver, I love silver, so I used it to hold my hair to give it a very nice, beautiful look. And then I did my baby hairs. I did it off camera, sorry. And I have to hold the hair with my satin hairband to make the hair sleek. And I'm back with my makeup, guys. So I have to put in the hair bun. I am so sorry that I couldn't show you. My camera was flopping. I have to be very truthful this time around, guys. I'm using my phone to record this. I know what time I'm gonna get it, so please bear with me with this. So I have to use this beautiful hair SAMBA. The name is SAMBA, and I use it for the hair bun. It's so beautiful. The ponytail is so beautiful. So I have the hook. I hooked it on my head, and then I wrapped. It has like a string, so I just use the string to wrap around, and then at the end I have to use my butter pin, and I held it to the hair. And yes, guys, I so much love this look. Everybody is so much in love. My husband, my friends, they're like, it's so beautiful. So, and I love it too. I so much love it. So guys, I actually used the hair, some part of the hair, to wrap around the hair to make it look more natural and beautiful. So guys, this is the finished look. This is it. If you actually love it, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, this is it. This is the beauty. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I love you all.